unscrewing the vent from the end of the case, and the case can then just lift apart. The electrical connections are to a sensor, to the glow plug, and to the fan unit. So we're going to unplug those three plugs from the control panel, and one Allen bolt to remove that control panel, placing the screws into the little vent cover to keep them safe. Then we're undoing the 4 Allen head bolts which hold the fan unit in place. As we take the fan unit off, it gives us access to the burn chamber, and that's the part that we're going to be replacing. So we check the gasket, which in this case is still good. We remove the rubber cover from the glow plug. It's usually only pinch tight, so we remove the glow plug, give it a quick clean, check it's okay. This one doesn't need replacing. Then 4 bolts to remove the burn chamber itself. Burn chamber lifted out. You can see if the main chamber is dirty. We can inspect the old burn chamber. Then we can start to reassemble, replacing the gasket and seating the new burn chamber in place. And then do up the Allen head bolts. Back into place, alternating the order that the bolts are pinched tight in so that it sits evenly. Put the glow plug back in and pinch it tight and refit the rubber seal. Gasket can go back in place. The fan unit can fit back onto the top. And we refit the control panel into place and do its bolt up, and then plug back in the wires. Then it just needs dropping back into its case, and we're done. All that remains is to like the video and subscribe for more boat life, van life and off-grid adventurous life videos.